Now that is one happy little kappa. That we left early and gave ourselves lots of time to get over to the Yamaha Piano Factory because there is a big line up here. And we've been standing for half an hour.
The hand sanitizer.
That is cool. That's really cool.
Really cool.
So our tour will be in 25 minutes and we're in the lobby here. Now once we go in, we will have to, we have certain instructions, should I say, once we go in, and you're not allowed to touch anything and there are no washrooms there. But we'll go right into the factory itself. We're at the Yamaha Play Store where you get to play all the instruments before we go on our tour. And with the final notes of the piano, we say goodbye to the Yamaha factory tour, which was one of the most incredible experiences. We saw every process of the making of the pianos, except the spraying of them, but it was incredible to see so many Yamaha pianos on the production line and all the independent craftsmen working on them. But not just that, I mean the tuning process they go through and was just, I don't know what word to use for the experience. I'll never look at another piano in the same way. What do you think? Yay!